Hey, what's up, Chiliz holder? What's going on, my brother? I am very excited. I am very happy today because sorry for late video this time, but Chiliz is going very fastly and I am busy. Sorry, this time you can see here every cryptocurrency totally goes down very badly, and the crypto market lost 10 billion US dollar this time, and last 2 days 10 billion. Every cryptocurrency totally goes down, but this time you can see here the Chiliz, oh my goodness, sorry, Chiliz also is go down in the last 7 days, but they starting jumping again. The result has gone good, therefore I make this video especially for Chiliz holder. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe. First of all, you are also member of our family, hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription. Okay, so this is live price prediction of Chiliz. First of all, I'm gonna show you the three chart, and the three chart is very important. So first of all, this is last 1 hour, latest chart of last 1 hour. You can see here the chart is in positive 3.42% chance, absolutely very good. And the current chart you can see here, so the current price is 0.49302 at US dollar as the latest price of Chiliz coin. You can see here they gone sometime very fastly and good jump. You can see here they take a good jump and go straightly. This is good time. Every cryptocurrency goes down, but they gonna straightly, so this is also good. Okay, let's see the last 24-hour result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result. The last 24-hour result are also very important. If you can check out the last 24-hour result as a negative, so this is very bad news as the last 24-hour result. But remember, this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency goes down and those days, so this is not a bad result. You can see here also a negative, but take a small chance. You can see here the price also goes down. You can see here 0.513516 US dollar. If you remember the last 1 hour result, and also is a small. Okay, so let's see the last 7-day result to what's going on in the last 7 days. Also, this is very important for this is live price prediction for this decision to be sell or buy. Okay, so guys, if you can see here the last 7-day result almost very negative. They gone down, all cryptocurrencies goes down, not just Chiliz. Okay, so Chiliz holder, remember this is not a selling time. I think this is absolutely good time to you buy it. If you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time, my brother. Please buy it. I tell you, in the upcoming days, at the mid of month and at the end of month, they give you a good profit. They make you millionaire. What you say? Can this is gone fastly and they take a jumping? Absolutely. I hope they go like a rocket. What you say? Please share your opinion and a comment box. This is selling time or buying time. Thanks for watching. Please like video. Please complete to my 10,000 subscribe on this channel. Please, I do a giveaway of 5,000 Chiliz coin. So wait for a giveaway and please complete my 10,000 subscribe. See you next time.